Let's find out if YouTube works on an iBook G4.
Check it out, we have some really cool looking villages here actually, I like it. We still can find like this piece of another village in here, and this shows that this place is super multicultural. Alright, let's find some gas. I saw a little gas station over here. Hello, Sawadee.
And it works! This is YouTube Wayfarer.
Explore a little village around there, and then I will take you to the other side of the island where we can find
1.33 gigahertz. This is a German traveler in Thailand. I like his accent. German English accent is amazing. And this works. 663 megabyte free, so it works. Yeah. And here is Google Maps on iBook G4 with Wayfarer. Let's test it a bit. It's working very smoothly, and you can of course multitask between switch between the applications, and you can move around. It's a little bit slower than on a PC or Mac with much better CPU megahertz, gigahertz, but for what you get, I think it's amazing. Let's try to search for something. Let's search for Tenerife. So yeah, it's still a little bit slow, the browser. On some things, the Odyssey web browser is faster still, but you can't enter Google Maps like Wayfarer does it, so it's very cool. And you can of course zoom in. It shows you pictures, and yeah, we are also connected with Google. That's, yeah, it's nice to know that it works. And let's see if Street View works. That is a little bit slow, I think. But let's see if we can get it to work. It's still a little bit difficult, but let's see if it changes. It does. It is a little bit slow for a moment because the JavaScript is not optimized for PowerPC yet, but the browser is just in start phase, and yeah, I think it's a good thing to show now, as 24 Fox is no longer supported on the PowerPC macOS X platform. So yeah, it's slow, but it is working. Yes. So you can move around, but it's not the PC speed, but it is possible. So I'm looking forward to another update for Wayfarer and see how far this can go, because MorphOS is still working without issues. So it is the browser that needs some minor optimizations here. Yes, so this is Canary Islands, Tenerife. So yeah, you can use the map, but it's not usable for daily usage still. But here I can update you with how far Wayfarer is right now. So if you like this content, please subscribe and like, and see you in the next Emitopia TV episode. Bye for now. Ciao ciao. Stay healthy and take care. Bye for now.